Hi everyone and welcome back to our Smart Home channel. I am Jimmy and this is a Smart Temperature and Humidity Sensor MS130 by Meross, a smart temperature and humidity sensor that supports Matter, and this makes it perfect for Apple HomeKit, Google Home, SmartThings and many more. Inside the box, we get the sensor itself, which is super compact and minimal with a beautiful matte plastic finish. We also get a smart hub, USB cable, power adapter, Ethernet cable and Matter user manual. To set it up, you just need to scan the Matter QR code on the Wi-Fi hub using your Home app, Google Home or a SmartThings app. It usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds to pair, and once done, you will see the live temperature and humidity readings appear instantly. In Apple HomeKit, for example, I can now see both metrics and use them in automations, like turning on a fan when it gets too warm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. And also, let me know in the comments below about your smart home setup and also what topic or product you would like to see next. Thank you and see you soon.